Okay, grand early rising. We are going to do a huge Amazon unboxing. So we're going to start with this bag first. We're going to start with this one. Okay, Amazon Prime. And the first thing we have is our lavender. Our lavender buds. Now, you can use these buds you can make teas with them. You can use them as your sachets, yes, in your drawers, and also in your baths. So, yes, I am so familiar with lavender and the lavender buds. I put this in my bath water, and I love the scent of lavender. If you want to have a good night's rest, lavender is the scent. Okay, it says lavender food and drinks, gluten-free, non-GMO, and culinary grade lavender flower buds are perfect for home cooking recipes or weddings, baking ingredients, and lavender tea. Infuse lemonade, mixed drinks with elegant lavender flowers. I had the perfect lavender cocktail, lavender martini, at a restaurant recently. It was everything. That was my first time having a lavender martini. Okay, so you purchase this on Amazon. It says great for skin health and highland grow naturally dried flowers. Okay. And all you need is a teaspoon for your teas. And not only that, home fragrance. Yes. Now I have some charcoals, and I use these charcoals to burn any fragrance that I want to burn, such as the lavender buds. And it is 100 pieces of charcoals. Now these are the medium-sized ones. These are 40 millimeters. This box is going to last me a great long time. And this is one of my buy agains. Yes, I've purchased this brand several times. Okay. And next is the frankincense. I love frankincense and I love myrrh. Now I really love the resin because when I put the resin on the charcoals, and I just walk all throughout the house. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do that after this video. Walk all through this house and just fill this house with this holy fragrance, frankincense. Okay, this was just what, like $9? No more than $9. And this is going to last me quite a bit because all you need is a pinch of it. All you need is a pinch. That's it. Next, I got a lot of things for the home. I'll do this last. Let's do the other essential oils and fragrances. Okay. Now, let's see what this one is. Okay, this is the myrrh essential oils. Okay, you know how you go to the spa and they ask you if you want some aromatherapy. Okay, so I have aromatherapy at home. Yes, this is pure myrrh, 100% pure essential oil. And of course, I had to get the frankincense. Frankincense and myrrh goes together, okay? Yes. Now, you can use this not only as aromatherapy, but you can also use it in your candles as well. However you see fit, however you like to use your oils. I use it in my candles and aromatherapy. And let's see now, the next thing we have is, y'all know how I am about my skincare. So you all, I had just a half of a bottle of the lavender toner, half a bottle. And so I said, well, I better go ahead and order some more toner because I'm about out. Now, this is my first time using the witch hazel and rose water toner. Now, I've had the witch hazel and lavender toner, okay? And I have had the rose water facial spray. But this is my first time having this combination, the witch hazel and rose water toner. Let me see how it smells. Nice, light, and fresh. It smells real good. I can't wait to use this. Now I have a half, just a half of the lavender toner left, so I'm gonna use it interchangeably, but I'm going to be doing a skincare routine this morning, and we are going to use this witch hazel and rose water toner. We're going to try this. Okay. Now, last but not least, we have the, are you going to guess? I was in Target the other day, and I was in the electronic section, and I came across these rings. I'm like, what are these? And then the lady said, Aura rings, smart rings. These rings are on another level than the smart watch, because these smart rings give you access to everything smart, meaning even in your household. Okay, now that's one thing that the smart watch doesn't do. So you can turn on your lights with this watch, access anything that's all your smart devices in your home. This ring does it. This ring does it. Now, this is by none other than Jacquelyn, Jacquelyn, and this is the R5 smart ring. Okay. Now, I love the fact that it has the yin and the yang. Yin and the yang. I love that. Y'all see the yin? Okay, the black is on the outside, the white is on the inside, that yin and yang. Yes. Balance. Y'all know all about that balance. I love it. However, now, when you buy these smart rings, the smart ring is supposed to fit snug. It's supposed to be tight, but not too tight. This is, it's too big for my fingers. It's even too big for my thumb, okay? Because it's supposed to be snug. Look, it's not snug. Now, this ring, you can put at least 6 credit cards in this ring. Now, one thing about this ring is that you got to order the other part to it in order for it to work, which is the charger. It doesn't come with the charger. Now, there are some smart rings on Amazon that comes with the charger. So even though I like this ring, but it doesn't fit well on my finger, that don't mean it won't fit ring on your finger. So I'm going to have this on my Amazon storefront as well. And I will be returning this because it doesn't fit my finger. And I did order another one. And this one comes with the charger. Comes with the charger. Yes, so, but I am so excited about these. All these smart devices are just so hard to keep up. So I have to keep up. Y'all know I have to keep up. Technology is, it's on a whole nother level. That's just like our cell phones. Our cell phones is no longer just a cell phone. It has our whole entire life in it, okay? Our cell phone is our home office. It's our navigator. It's our health care. It is everything. So, I had to share with you all this smart ring because this is the first time I ever heard of a smart ring. They also, on Amazon, I saw a smart wristband. They have a smart wristband. Technology is moving fast. Technology is moving very fast. So I know y'all want to keep up. So y'all shop my Amazon storefront. I'm going to have all these products on my Amazon storefront. And I am going to give you all my web address to my Amazon storefront. Okay, and it is okay, it is https://www.amazon.com/shop Jacquelyndorindachic. That's JACQUELYNDORINDA Chic, CHIC, all one word. And yes, also shop the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. This is my Chick Babes Spiral Notebook. This notebook helped me stay organized. I write all of my content in here, appointments. It's a perfect organizer to get for yourself. All you business bosses, all you bosses, shop the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. Also follow me at JA.CQUELYN4 on Instagram and on Threads. And my TikTok is Zion Israel Locks. That's ZIONISRAELLOCS. And on Facebook, I am JACQUELYN Jenkins, JENKINS. Yes, y'all, I'm on all the social media platforms. There's so many of them to remember all my handles. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, babes, and happy Sunday. Okay, thank you all for tuning in to my nighttime skincare products review. So, okay, so we have the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the sage and orange blossom. And then we have the aloe, herbs, and rose water. We have the aloe, chamomile, and lavender. That's one of my favorites. And we have the coconut water and aloe. And these are only $7 at Ulta Beauty. I love them all. They're 10.